I'll guide you through how to get ChatGPT to remember you, using the new memory feature without constantly repeating yourself in every conversation. If you're looking to make your ChatGPT interactions more personalized and efficient, or if you want to transform ChatGPT into your ultimate second brain that truly understands your preferences, and so need to get ChatGPT to remember you, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. ChatGPT's new memory feature allows it to learn from your conversations and recall details across different chats, making it incredibly powerful. Here's how to set it up and use it. Step 1. How to enable ChatGPT memory feature. In the ChatGPT interface, look to the bottom left corner and click on your username or the menu icon on mobile. From the menu that pops up, select Settings, then click on Personalization. Here you'll find the memory option. Make sure the toggle next to it is switched to the on position. This activates the feature. Step 2. How to provide information for ChatGPT to remember. Now that memory is on, you can start telling ChatGPT what you want it to remember. This can be done explicitly by directly stating facts like, "Remember that I am a vegetarian," or "My YouTube channel is called 3 Minutes Fix, and we focus on educating viewers about app solutions." ChatGPT also learns implicitly, so as you interact, it will pick up on your preferred tone, style, and common topics of discussion. Step 3. How to manage ChatGPT's stored memories. To see what ChatGPT has stored about you, simply ask it in a chat, "What do you remember about me?" To fine-tune its memory, go back to Settings, click Personalization, then click Manage Memory. Here you can click Manage Memories to delete individual items that it has remembered that you no longer want. You also have the option to clear all memories if you want to wipe its slate clean. If you have a sensitive conversation you don't want to influence its memory, you can start a temporary chat from the main menu. Temporary chat means ChatGPT won't remember the conversation or save it to its memory. Now that you've learned how to use ChatGPT's memory feature, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more AI video tutorials. Thanks for watching.